Welcome to iPacky. In this video we will demonstrate how to use the picking list assignment in iPacky. Picking list assignment makes it possible to assign orders for picking to specific users. A typical use can be to split the orders for picking between the pickers, and this will be their target for the day. Or assign easy orders, or small orders to new workers. It's recommended that you view the video about picking lists packing slips first to understand the concept. In order to use picking assignments, you need to enable Settings, Options, Assign Picking Lists. The user doing the assignments must also log in through the iPacky dashboard, and have the role of operator or higher. Select the Assign To drop-down. Here you can filter on Assign To. None means orders that has not been assigned to anyone. All means all orders regardless of assigned or not. Assigned to means all orders that has been assigned. You can also filter on orders that has been assigned to a specific user. Select the orders to be assigned. Select Assign Selected To. Select the user you want to assign these orders to. Select Assign To. Select the All entry. The Assigned To column shows who the order is assigned to. Select the menu. Select My Picking Lists. Here the user will see the orders assigned to them for picking. Thank you for watching this iPacky video. For more details, read in the help system, or watch videos when they become available on iPacky.com or on our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook. Start packing error-free today.